Hello, you beautiful mofos. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about how to remove stain from wood. If it's latex, right there, Xylene. They have citric acid and all this, that, and the other thing, but for the most part, hot water and Xylene should do the job. You just want to watch what you get the Xylene on, obviously. It'll kill plants in a heartbeat. And if it is an oil-based stain, you use this right here, some caustic soda. Micro pearls. You mix this up with a little sodium hypochlorite, aka bleach. If you want to learn the mixture ratios and everything, join Exterior Cleaning Professionals. I'll be sharing some more tips, tricks for masonry maintenance and pressure washing, and we can all network and learn from each other. It's Exterior Cleaning Professionals. And again, oil-based stain, you use caustic soda mix to strip it, oxalic to neutralize it. I'll go over it more in depth later. And then, I'm sorry, I got a mess in here. Got bleach barrels, four-wheelers, and Xylene to strip the latex with some hot water.